What's up, Halo? What's up, Halo nerds? Halo fans? Y'all ready? Xbox World, Tribe, Nation. What's up with it? Mob, Squad. What's up with it? Xbox Geeks and Freaks. What's up with it? Look, you know, I used to watch a movie. I remember watching this martial art movie called Mysteries of Chess Boxing. Man, yeah. You want to talk about a chess move, a power move? Talk about killing 3 birds with 1 stone. Phil Spencer, Microsoft, you guys are crazy. Killing 3 birds with 1 stone. You want to talk about a stealth drop? Okay, the ZeniMax Bethesda deal was the stealth drop. Was a stealth drop, but this one even got better. You just killed 3 birds with 1 stone. Microsoft. So let me get this straight. Halo Infinite comes out December the 8th, right? But we can play the multiplayer on the 15th of November? Huh? Yeah. Talk about killing 3 birds with 1 stone. So basically you killed Battlefield. You killed Final Fantasy Endwalker. And you killed the PlayStation release of Spider-Man on the Avengers. Oh my God. Yeah. What a stealth drop. I'm still laughing here. I'm still shaking my head. Listen to this. Just seen this article on Eurogamer. Plus there's the article on Gamers Rant. I'm gonna put it on put the link in the description box. Listen to this. Halo Infinite multiplayer reportedly goes live in some form on Monday. Today's date. Today is the 13th of January. Halo Infinite is scheduled on December the 8th. But the multiplayer goes live on the 15th of November. Talk about stealing the momentum from Battlefield, Final Fantasy Endwalker, and the Avengers release of Spider-Man. Talk about killing 3 birds with 1 stone. You took Halo and killed the Avengers, killed Battlefield, and then killed Final Fantasy Endwalker. Anyway, listen to this article. Wow. It looks increasingly like Halo Infinite multiplayer will be made available to play on Monday 15th November. Twitter user Adam Fairclough revealed Xbox Store data from Halo Infinite multiplayer includes rendered to the 15th November date. And then it says there's also mention of a 6 p.m. timing. And it shows the tweet here from Adam. But then it says here, Halo Infinite official release date is 8th December, meaning December the 8th. That for the campaign and for the free-to-play download multiplayer. Whisper had suggested Halo Infinite multiplayer would be made available on Monday, but without concrete evidence, Microsoft and 343 have yet to shut the rumor down. Wow. It says here Microsoft has a running series of technical previews for Halo Infinite multiplayer showcasing different aspects of the game. Perhaps it plans to surprise drop a new one on Monday to coincide with the Xbox 20th anniversary. Yeah. That would be crazy. That's like killing 3 birds with 1 stone, man. Yeah. Xbox. It's an Xbox thing. It's an Xbox thing, and like I've said before, 2021 belongs to Xbox. And this just proved it. Anyway, let me listen. We got some comments here. We got 6, but there's more than 6 here. because you know you're a gamer, don't know how to count. But anyway, it says here, you put December rather than November in front of 2 paragraphs. You silly. I'm not even gonna say nothing. He's not gonna say nothing on the last word. Anyway, another person here says, I am wishing my life away. Thanks for the heads up. Another person here says, it will soon be Christmas. They will have the Easter egg in the shop soon. Another person here says, I'm expecting them in Tesco in a few weeks. Another person here says, maybe for Game Pass subs before going live to the whole free-to-play world on the 8th would be a good way to do an extended stress test before the floodgates open in full. Plus, it may pull in a few more subscribers. Another person here says, don't mention the flood. Yeah, this sounds reasonable to me too. If it happened, they have to get their market in order though to ensure people know it. Available to everyone in December though. Don't want people thinking it's Game Pass only and not giving it try come December. Another person here says, Halo, 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 Halo. He said it 7 times. Another person here says, here we are now, entertain us. No, he said, with the lights out, it's less dangerous. Here we are now, entertain us. And then another person here says, you win today. Another person here says, I don't know if there's much truth to this particular rumor, but I did used to love it when any of the big 3, meaning Sony, Nintendo, and Microsoft, have a show, be it E3 or Gamescom, and they would make those kind of announcements on stage. Things like a demo or a beta would be announced and it would go live then and there for you to download back at home. Love stuff like that. Really good way to make the audience feel connected and involved and get more hype going. Fingers crossed for something like that coming from Microsoft show on Monday, but I won't hold out much hope. Another person here says, if they actually stealth drop the biggest release of the year, I will have to question how they were even able to raise their trousers past balls that big. Anyway, next person here says, well, consider Square Enix, we're going to have the headlines all week before their delay. It's a huge power move by them to not only steal the thunder, but then Sony as well, considering it's still a PlayStation console exclusive. Now Endwalker lands on the same week as Infinite release. It's still a big strong move by Microsoft to release a large chunk of their game beforehand to hold interest of the media. Then again, if they run around and say Final Fantasy on Xbox at Endwalker launch on Monday, the media could easily just go Sony who for a good few months. Oh God, man, these people are funny. Next person here says, gaming god, let this happen. Been wanting to play Final Fantasy for so long, though my backlog wouldn't be pleased. Already trying to juggle Forza Horizon 5, Battlefield 2042, and Metroid Dread. Been a really stellar fall for games. And another person says here, I want to believe, but also have the 8th of December onward off. Another person here says, LOL, same. Book for a long weekend of Halo indulgence from the 8th with both work and my understanding wife. Can't wait. Oh my God, these people are funny. Another person here says, oh yes, please. I am counting down the days to get my hands on Halo Infinite again after the flight, and this would be an awesome surprise. Another person here says, it's back to the 8th, and he shows the link. Another person here says, this would be wonderful, timely surprise. I did been hoping to spend some time with 2042, but after playing last night, that's not even close to being finished. Another person here says, exactly the same here, bud. What a huge letdown that one is. I thought it would keep me busy until December 8th, but that's not happening in its current state. Talking about Battlefield here. Another person here says, while this is obviously exciting news for multiplayer fans, it is a shame that activity like this potentially ruins big surprises announcement. This alternative is to not allow people to preload the game so they can't access the manifest or game files to inspect like this. Another person here says, probably surprise release of the co-op for campaign 1 month early. Another person here says, maybe old release date. This would be wonderful time after the Endwalker delay too. A little switcheroo and suddenly I am not having to juggle my playing time as much. End of comments. And what I'm gonna do is put the link in the description box with the article from Gamers Rant. But this sounds like a rumor. It could be true, but sometimes rumors ruin. I'm not a big fan of rumors. I was looking forward to December the 8th, but the multiplayer on the 15th. But what this did was build more hype for Halo, and Halo just stole the spotlight from Battlefield, from Final Fantasy, and the Avengers with Spider-Man DLC. So Microsoft just killed 3 birds with 1 stone using Halo multiplayer. Nice move, Microsoft. But anyway, what I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box with this article so y'all can enjoy it. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still a Star Wars and Star Trek thing, or Dark Side. Come on. Peace.